So in this pan, I've got the bones from the spatchcock chicken. I saved the juices from when it was cooking, so I've got those as well. I've popped some water with it, some potatoes, some garlic, salt, pepper and a bay leaf, because the chicken was quite spicy anyway. And I'm just going to make my own chicken soup. So I'm just going to remove any little bits of chicken that are left. We don't waste anything. You'd be amazed how much chicken comes off these bones. I'll blend it down with all this liquid, and then when it comes to using it, I'll keep it in the fridge, and when it comes to using it, I'll probably add a little bit of milk to it to give it that cream of chicken soup flavour. Quite a messy job, but well worth doing. If you make your own things, you know what's in it. Although I do have a well-stocked cupboard, because I think in these times you need one. They always did when I was growing up. People always had a well-stocked cupboard. They remembered hard times. I remember an older lady went into her living room, and she went into the sideboard for something, and it was literally full of bags of sugar. She'd lived through the 1940s. And I think the First World War as well. There we are. I'll show you when it's all done. So this is it blended down. It's quite gloopy. But as I say, when I come to serve it, I'll be adding a little bit of milk. I got this loaf of tempeh, so we'll toast a couple of slices of that and have it with the soup. Piping hot, and I've just roasted some extra garlic and a few chilli flakes. And I'm well aware that not everybody can find things reduced to 10pence, so I thought we'd go over to a supermarket and I'll just show you what you can find, not necessarily on the reduced part, but just when they are going up and down the aisles, having a look and seeing what's last in line and what they're reducing. So let's go have a look and see what we can find.